Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the ancient secret of the Nagano Tonic, a magical elixir that holds the key to rapid weight loss. Get ready to uncover the mystery behind this powerful tonic and its incredible properties. Let's kick things off by introducing you to the Nagano Tonic, a renowned solution for those looking to shed excess pounds quickly. This tonic has been gaining popularity for its ability to help people achieve their weight loss goals in a fast and effective manner. Losing weight can be a real challenge for many of us. From strict diets to intense workout routines, the journey to a slimmer figure is often filled with struggles and setbacks. Fortunately, the Nagano Tonic offers a solution to this common problem, making weight loss easier and more achievable. Now let's delve into the key components of the Nagano Tonic and how they work in harmony to accelerate metabolism and promote fat burning. This unique blend of ingredients is designed to support your weight loss journey by boosting energy levels and suppressing appetite, making it easier for you to reach your goals. Get ready to be inspired by the incredible success stories of individuals who have transformed their bodies with the help of the Nagano Tonic. From significant weight loss to improved overall health, these stories serve as a testament to the effectiveness of this magical elixir. In summary, the Nagano Tonic offers a natural and powerful solution for those looking to lose weight quickly. By harnessing the power of its unique ingredients, this tonic can help you achieve remarkable results in a short amount of time. Say goodbye to fad diets and hello to a healthier, happier you with the Nagano Tonic. Ready to start your own weight loss journey with the Nagano Tonic? Be sure to give it a try and share your progress with us in the comments below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your body and experience the magic of this incredible elixir. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.